I got the side cut out. It's actually kind of a pain to get it clamped up, but it's clamped up. I've got the bottom of the table to the point that pretty much anywhere I put my flat bar on, I can't see light past it. I still got a bunch of cleanup on what is the bottom now, but will be the top work surface of the table. So I'm gonna get this welded out. I ground every 12 inches. I ground a 4-inch slot to fillet weld. So I'll weld both sides of this, but I don't want to weld the whole length because it'll cause a lot of warpage. So I'll probably weld every other one, and then the opposite on the other side. And then once it completely cools off, I'll go back and do the slots that I didn't hit yet. So thanks for watching. It's time for me to be done for the day, but I got the one side welded on, and as you saw, I had a couple humps, so I had to go back and grind some stuff out and trim it down. But right now I don't have any teeter-tottering. I think on the next side I'm probably going to shim up on this side, shim up on that side, and then I can go through and clamp. If I have a gap in there, I won't have to cut anything out. As you saw, I had to cut here out, had to cut that out, and had to cut some out right here. If I already have a gap, then I can just pull and loosen as I go along, and that'll probably be less effort. But shoot, you can look down it right now and just see, you can see it's basically perfect. So anyways, thanks for watching. I got 3 more sides to do, and then there will probably be runners going sideways. I think there will probably be like one maybe every 18 or so inches, and it'll go between the holes. So do maybe one every 18 or so inches, and then if I need to, I can go this way with maybe 2 more runs. But I think maybe I'll do one down the center lengthwise and then go every 18 inches this way. I don't want this thing to be able to move at all. You know, I want to be able to basically set a tractor on here, or a really heavy tractor part, and not have to worry about, even if I put tons and tons of heat into a tractor part, not have to worry about it warping on me. So YouTube, welcome back. Here's the progress on the table so far. I've got some stiffeners in. I've been putting these in and then using 4-foot straight edge across in the direction that they're in to make sure it doesn't teeter-totter in any direction. You saw that a little bit in the last video clip. So this one's going to go across the center here. I'm going to tack weld it on both the sides, the short sides here and there, and then I'm going to go across and center it up, or level it up, and then use these clamps in the table to clamp to it and pull the table up and down and manipulate the table until it's perfectly straight, or as best as I can get it. I'd like it perfect, but as best I can get it all the way across. And then I'm going to cut this piece up right here and put 2 this way, if that makes sense. So anyways, this is just to hold the table true and to make sure it's perfectly flat, so that in my future projects, when I clamp everything to the table, I know it's right. Because you know, if it's humped like this, I clamp 2 things and I'm wanting them together, they're going to look like that. This is exaggerated. But if the table is true, I clamp them to close up like that. So anyways, keep watching. Let's see how this goes. So just trying to help you see. I don't know if this will show up super well. I'm shining a light under here. There's about a 1/4 inch gap under this bar. And I know this plate's straight. I cut it and I ground it straight. So that's what I'm working to get rid of, is gaps like that.